Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, a channel where we have fun, get motivated, educate each other at the same time, explore. So on today's channel we are going to on today's video I'm back again with a very interesting video, and I won't take more of your time. It's 12 or 2 in the afternoon, 12 or 2 p.m., and I want to prepare lunch. And so I had boiled some githeri and I've stored it in my fridge. So I want to prepare it and so that we can have it for lunch. So guys, as we prepare the lunch, as I take you through the procedure, I want to say thank you so much for those who have been patient with me. I've not been posting video for the last, is it 2 weeks? Yes, for the last 2 weeks. I'm very grateful for those who are patient with me. Thank you for all the new subscribers. Please feel at home. And for those who are coming back to support this channel, I really love you so much. Thank you for supporting me and thank you for continued support. I love you so much. And for those who are watching without subscribing, I don't know what I'll do for you to be convinced to be in this family, but I know one day you want to join this family. So guys, let's go direct to the video as I introduce to you the ingredients. So guys, for our ingredients, we shall need, of course, cooking stick and sufuria. I have all the prepared nyanyas, onions, hoho, biringanya. I'll look for the English word that can be used for that. So, of course, I'll need coriander, that is dania. I also need cooking oil. I also need salt, and I'll also need githeri. So guys, those are all the ingredients that I always use. I rarely use spices for my ingredients because of stomach issues. So directing to the procedure, first of all you heat your sufuria, let it heat, then add your cooking oil. It's a hack for me. Don't just put oil on a sufuria that has not yet heat. Then let your oil heat. If your oil heats, you add your onions. Onions zihuiva haraka. Then also it's at least another hack. Onions hazikai sana kwa mafuta, and also they don't soak. So of course itaiva haraka. Then after that, that's when now I'm coming in with my tomatoes. So with tomatoes, I'll add tomato with no salt first, of course, then tomato with hohos, capsium. Then another thing that I'll talk about here is if you have, what is it, garlic, ginger and garlic, you can add before adding your tomatoes. Immediately you add your onion, you add your garlic, then you can come in with your salt, then your tomatoes and the other. So the remaining three ingredients, I decided to add them all. Stir them, they mix well, then you leave for at least 2 minutes so that they can heat well. I said at least my tomato. What I love about my tomato is at least it was well ripe, so it won't take long to heat. Then after that, after maybe 2 minutes, I'll come in with my githeri. Yeah, imagine it's just as simple as that. So guys, I was saying, Eki, thank you so much for the support you've really shown to my videos. I'm really humbled. I'm really happy by the way. Don't take it for granted. New subscribers are coming. Welcome to this family. Welcome, welcome. Here we do simple recipes. We have fun. We get out of. I'll be plugging you new plugs when I go maybe to Kamkunji, maybe buying things on wholesale. I'll be plugging you traveling. Yes, exploring different places, showing you different areas. So this channel is all over. Like I'll be doing pranks. I don't know if I'm really okay with this, but I'll try and show you pranks. So yes, I'll be doing everything. in this channel. Not like everything, but at least I'll try and update you about my life, what I do, going for death, like, yes. Yes. So guys, keep up here. Wow, our githeri now looks so yummy. Yummy. I love it. For those who, the lovers of spices, yes, you are allowed to add. For me, I told you that I have stomach issues. So I rarely add spices to my. What I love the most about is coriander. We nakwambia kaka dania unaongezanga juu after everything you put off your heat, then you come in through, as in dania is everything for all my meals. I love it. Guys, you can see how the githeri is coming out. Wow, so yummy, and I love the fact that imeshikana poa. Yes. So guys, so that is how our githeri came in, and you can serve with your favorite drink. I'm serving with Del Monte mango juice today. I love it. So naka kabaridi. Let me enjoy my meal and see you next time. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing.